Benny Big Gun here. I got a quick unboxing video for you all today. I ordered myself a little something from eBay, and it finally arrived today. It came from the United States, and I'm going to do a real quick unboxing today. Just show you what it is, and then I might come to you later on with a review. I'm going to use my Spyderco Resilience to unbox it. Okay. I did that wrong. Up. Trying to cut everything inside. Okay. I apologise for background noise. I ordered myself a tactical pen with belt clip so I could EDC this. It's also a EDC update, so I'm going to be carrying this on me every day from now on, and I'm going to carry this for a few days, and I'm going to get back to you all. I'm going to get back to you all with a review. It's this one has a flashlight on it. This is what I really liked. It had a flashlight. This is made by a company called J-Tech. This is made in China, and yeah, it comes with a pen. It comes with a flashlight, a pocket clip, the DNA collector, all the kind of good stuff, and a window breaker right here. It's a window breaker. It's made out of aluminum, things like that. Anyway, that's all the details for now. I'm going to come back to you over a review, and until then, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and most of all, have a nice day.